Hello Cambly learners, my name is Simon and I'm a tutor on Cambly. Today you will be learning about using action verbs. Let's start with a simple spot the verb. A girl talks to her friend every day. Can you find the verb? She talks to her friend. Action verbs are very important. If you are new to English or simply working on your vocabulary, in this video we are going to explore words that will help you to express doing. For working professionals, action verbs will help you to communicate your successes in previous jobs. What is an action verb? An action verb is a word that shows an action. It will tell us what the subject of the sentence does. For example, everyone eats lunch. The subject is everyone, and eats is the action verb. Some action verbs show actions that happen in the mind, such as enjoy, like, and think. For example, the friends enjoy their lunch. We can only guess that they are enjoying that delicious lunch by the big smiles. Of course, we have so many action verbs. So let's take a step back. An action verb is the word that shows what the subject does or did. Let's look at an example. The office worker catches the train. So, what is the subject? What is the predicate? What is the action verb? Did you spot the answer? We can see that the office worker is the subject. The predicate is catches the train. So let's break down the predicate. We can see that the action verb is catches. Our first action verb for today is write. The student writes a letter to his mom. Our next action verb is read. I read a book. And our next action verb is drink. I drink water every day. And our next action verb is think. The man thinks about his life. In that one, can you spot the subject? Yes, the man. So the predicate is thinks about his life. The action verb here is think. Next up, we've got my favourite one, dance. I dance every day. Now, for some professional action verbs, let's jump to it. Arrange. Arrange. To arrange is simply placing things in order. For example, I arranged the students' workbooks in alphabetical order. A to Z. Next one, I arranged your clothes for the holiday. I arranged your clothes for the holiday. Another action verb, oversaw. Oversaw. Oversaw is a great way to talk about your management skills. I oversaw the team prepare for the meeting. Yes, you were the lucky one to be watching and checking things were going to plan. And next up we've got an action verb, feed. This one will surprise you. Please feed the paper into the copier. No, we aren't about to give the photocopier a hamburger. We're just going to quickly grab some paper for the copier. And the last action verb for today's video is stack. To stack is a nice word to use for cleaning the house or office. We can stack boxes, stack the paperwork, or even stack the ironing. To stack, we simply pile things up. For those who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly native English speakers like me. You can take English lessons anytime, anywhere, right from your phone or computer. Schedule your next lesson with me by using the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye and see you soon.